Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. Y square we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by 6 plus s and I will put the s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have 9 ln of the absolute value of s plus 6. And I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to negative number 5, y equals to number 1. So we put number 1 and negative number 5 cone here to find the value of c. So ln number 1 you got 0. This one we have 1 over 3. So we have c equals to 1 over 3. So I will put this one cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.